Go. Go, Braxton.
Go. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Wow, dude. Wow, dude. Press the button. Keep going. It's okay. Put your feet back up. Yeah, you tore off a tomato. Yeah, you gotta let off the button. Keep going.
Turn him this way to go through the yard.
Ready?
Till he figures out he's got to let off the button to stop it.
Put your foot out.
Go.
No.
My crack ain't no key holder. Go, bub. Go, ride it.
Here.
Push the button.
What is that? Did you want to keep this?
Push the button, bub.
From Angela's baby shower?
Push the button. No, I got one. That was supposed to be one on that one I gave Mom.